Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello Mr. Arif. My name is Yuvita Deka Pramesti with student number 76 from class 4B. In here, I will explain to you a journal by Eken Graha Utama with the title Implementation of Gyro Accelerometer Sensor for Measuring Respiration Based on Inhale and Exhale with Delphi Interface. Okay, the abstract of this research is accelerometer sensors are widely used in respiration studies because of their ability to detect changes in position speed. However, there is still a lack of research that focuses on the optimal placement of these sensors to achieve measurements accurate breathing. This study aims to investigate and analyze the ideal position of sensors for precise breathing detection. To achieve this, a design is proposed that utilizes Arduino Nano as a microcontroller to process signals and obtain respiration values from the three gyro accelerometer sensor. Respiratory signals and values. The data obtained is transmitted to the PC via Bluetooth and visual via the Delphi application. The contribution of this research lies in studying the impact of placement gyro accelerometer sensor for breathing detection, ultimately identifying the appropriate sensor location. The analysis shows that the overall error value obtained from the module is quite promising, with the highest error recorded at 2.6% when the sensor was positioned on the stomach and chest. This validates the feasibility of use gyro accelerometer sensor to detect breathing and provide valuable insights for future research in this domain. However, it is important to acknowledge certain limitations in this study. As long as the respondent moves or walks, there is noise in the signal which can affect accuracy. These limitations highlight the need for further pursuit in updating sensor placement and signalling technique to reduce interference and improve overall accuracy. In conclusion, this study emphasizes the importance of the gyro accelerometer sensor in respiratory detection and addresses the lack of research regarding its optimal placement. By presenting analysis error of three sensor positions, this study established the foundation for more precise and reliable breathing measurement technique. And the introduction of this research, the gyro accelerometer sensor is a device that detects changes in position and speed. It has been researched to monitor breathing and change in position when breathing. However, the sensitivity of the sensor can result in miscalculation of respiratory rate, as it detects changes in position that are not related to breathing. The focus of the research is to identify changes in chest position during inhalation and exhalation for better accuracy. To overcome errors, filtering the accelerometer sensor output can be done. Accelerometers are also used to measure dynamic or static speed and acceleration of various objects or phenomena. This research aims to determine the ideal position of the gyro accelerometer sensor to detect breathing precisely, even in 3 dimensions, by using a pair of plates on a chip that are installed perpendicularly. What about the method? This study, the test was carried out using a patient simulator in Surabaya Ministry of Health Polytechnic Nursing Laboratory. This simulator patient can simulate respiration with a mechanical work system up and down the chest and abdomen. The initial test is to see changes in the shape of the signal generated by the gyro accelerometer sensor after going through the Kalman filter process. Kalman filter is a generic algorithm that is used to estimate the desired system parameters. In the picture beside, shows the placement of the gyro accelerometer sensor on the abdomen. The next step is to compare the respiration values obtained after changing the constant on the Kalman filter and compare them with the parameter settings in the simulator patient. The test was carried out with 3 different respiratory rate parameter settings, namely 12, 15, and 20. Its respiration parameter setting was taken 5 times. This is the block diagram of this research. The block diagram in this study using a gyroaccelerometer sensor with the type MPU6050 GY521 from China to detect respiration Arduino Nano with the type Rev3 board from China as a data processor obtained from the gyroaccelerometer sensor and the reprocessed using a Kalman filter to obtain a respiration signal and respiration value. Then respiration signal and value are sent via Bluetooth with the type HC5 from China to the PC and displayed on the graph. And then what about the flowchart of this research? In the picture beside is a flow diagram where after the module has carried out the initialization process and the reads data from the gyroaccelerometer sensor after the data is obtained. The filtering process is carried out using a Kalman filter to produce a respiration signal. Then the respiration signal will go through a thresholding process with a threshold of 80% of the maximum value of the respiratory signal. Respiration value per minute is obtained from the formula 3 times 60,000 divided by the period formed by 3 breaths. The process respiration signal and respiration value are then sent to the Delphi application on a personal computer via Bluetooth using the Bluetooth module. If Bluetooth on the PC has been activated, Delphi will get the data on the value of the respiration signal and the value of respiration. Furthermore, the respiration signal is displayed on the graph and the respiration value will be displayed in real time. And this is a model circuit used by the writer, which is in the picture beside. Is a picture of the entire module circuit, which the number 1 is the Bluetooth module with the type HC5 from China, which is used to send data from the microcontroller to Delphi. And the number 2 is a multiplexer component. The number 4. Number 4 is a multiplexer component with the type TCA954HA I2C from China that is used to get data values from 3 gyroaccelerometer sensors at once. And the number 3 is the Arduino microcontroller with the type Rev3 board, which is used to process sensor data and is used for processing the Kalman filter. And the number 2 is a battery with the type 18650 from China that is used as a power supply for the whole circuit. And the figure 5 is the display on the Delphi application on the personal computer. In the upper left corner of the display there is a control panel, namely the connect button which functions to connect Delphi to the module via Bluetooth, and then there is a pause button which functions to pause the monitoring process, and a reset button which functions to reset the signal display on the graph. Exit button which serves to close the Delphi application, and there are 9 signal display charts, each of which has 2 signals, namely the while signal is a respiration signal from the gyroaccelerometer sensor data before being filtered by Kalman, and the color signal is a respiration signal that has been filtered by Kalman. The respiration per minute values in BPM or breath per minute are displayed next to the signal graph chart respectively. As you can see on the screen, there are results from this research. On the screen, on the left screen, from this research signal, results were obtained as shown in the image on the side with 3 sensor placed in different position, which is with signal with the red colors is respiration rate before filter Kalman, and the signal with yellow colors is respiration rate after filter Kalman, and the blue colors is respiration rate after filter Kalman with the z-axis. And on the right side is from the existing data, get the error percentage value from sensor 1 with result 1.29%, sensor 2 with the result 1.11%, and sensor 3 with the result 2.6%, and the SD percentage value from sensor 1 is 1.39%, and sensor 2 with the result 0.83%, and sensor 3 with the result 1.33%. Overall, the conclusion, this research can be concluded that the application gyroaccelerometer sensor to regulate respiration based on Delphi-based inhalation and exhalation, which is a sensor position parameters, has been successfully created and can be used properly. The placement is 3 different. The sensor in this research have error values that tend to be low because the difference in value is not much. When respondents were sitting and sleeping, the error value was the lowest on sensor 2, and when the respondent sits, breathing occurs, the final speed is higher than when sleeping, and because when the sleep condition occurs when the respondent is in a relaxed state, so the number of inhalation and respiration tend to be low per minute. Okay, that's all from my explanation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.